Advantages of eating out. In recent years, dining out has become a concerning issue to general public. Some people believe that eating out has many disadvantages. However, I think it also has some positive effects because of these following reasons. Firstly, going out for a meal helps us save time. We don't have to spend time going to the market to buy food or cooking meals. This is really useful when we are too busy with our work. Secondly, having a meal at a restaurant gives us chances of trying new dishes, even food which is from other countries. Many people get tired of eating the same things over and over at home. This is worst if you are not good at cooking, and in this case, eating out is a good choice. Thirdly, dining out will help us develop relationships. Having a big party in a restaurant is much easier than having it at home. Parties like this bring people closer together. People are also open to each other. In conclusion, going out for a meal has a lot of benefits, and they are the reasons why there are more and more people who tend to eat out.